Hi, to become a successful drone pilot, there are first 10 vital questions that you need to ask before launching your professional drone business. Number 1, what resources do I currently have? These can include your car, laptop, smartphone and tools. Number 2, what resources do I need? These may include a website and a professional drone. Number 3, how can I gain my professional license? You need to research online training, books and training courses available in your country. Number 4, what financial resources do I have? What is my budget? Number 5, who is my competition? Number 6, what's my unique selling proposition? What unique skills do I have and how can I add value to my customers? Number 7, who can help grow my business? Number 8, how can I build a business network? Number 9, how can I research my local market? Number 10, how can I effectively monitor my local market? And how can I identify new opportunities? Because these questions are so important, what I've done is I've laid them out into a simple PDF document which you can access and print off. What I'll do is I'll put a link in the description and also in the comments. It's a completely free document. You don't need to submit any email address or details. What you can do is spend 1 or 2 weeks just writing the answers out, identifying key questions and solutions. For example, who your competition is, what are your unique selling propositions, how you can build a business network. These are all vital questions that you need to answer. You need to also identify how you research the local market, how you find customers, and also not in the short term but long term. For example, if a new construction opportunity moves into your local area in 5 years' time, or a new solar panel farm, how will you find these customers? How will you be the first person in your area to identify these opportunities? These are really important, vital questions in order to become a professional drone pilot. Once you're answering it, it makes the whole process of what you need to do much clearer. It gives you more confidence and knowledge about what your challenges are, what you're good at, and who can help you provide solutions. So download it, fill it out, it's completely free, and I'm sure it will really benefit you. So give it a go.